Dear students, there is a picture in front of you. When you see this picture, that time you find that different types of vegetables are present in this picture. Today, we are going to read about vegetables which are in your book and what is the importance of vegetable that you will know from this chapter. We eat different types of vegetables. They are rich source of nutrient. So we must add vegetables to our daily food. Green vegetables are very useful for our health. As you know, when we eat, that time we eat also vegetables. And we eat vegetables because they provide nutrient. Nutrients are very necessary for our body. We must add green vegetables in our food. Green vegetables are very useful for our health. If you want to keep your health good, that time you must eat green vegetables. We must have vegetables instead of oily food and junk food. It is good to eat vegetables regularly to protect our body. Vegetables form a healthy diet. They keep our stomach full for long time. Just you are seeing a picture of stomach. This is the picture of digestive system. Fast food is not so good. Generally, children like fast food and junk food. Here you can see there are pictures of junk food or fast food. You also like pizza, burger, chow mein, etc. But these food are not good for our health. So we must eat vegetables regularly to protect our body. Vegetables form a healthy diet. They keep our stomach full for a long time. When you eat junk food, that time you don't feel hungry for a short time. It means it satisfied your hunger for a short time, but when you eat green vegetables, they fulfill your stomach for a long time. So we must eat green vegetables. Some vegetables are very easy to be added in daily food. They are tomatoes, broccoli, carrot, spinach, garlic, onion, etc. They are very common vegetables. They are available everywhere. So you must eat these all things, these all vegetables as I have named: potato, tomato, broccoli, carrot, spinach, garlic, onion. These are easily available in the market, and most of the vegetables are available in all seasons. So you must add these vegetables in your food. These are very common vegetables and you can find everywhere. It is not necessary that in one part of the country you will find and another part of the country you will not find. These are found everywhere, so you must add these things in your food. Vegetables digest very easily. They regularize our digestive system. They maintain our appetite. The more vegetables we take, the more healthier we become. So we should take more vegetables than rice or wheat. You must add green vegetables in your food. As you know, green vegetables regularize our digestive system. and for digestive system or for maintaining our appetite, it is necessary that we should eat green vegetables. If we take green vegetables, that time we become healthier. And one thing you must mind, that you should try to eat more vegetables than rice or wheat. If you take, that time you will be healthy. We should take green leafy vegetables every day. Leafy vegetables are very useful. So try to take leafy vegetables like spinach and cabbage. These are very useful for you, and you will be healthy if you take these things in your food. Vegetables are very useful for kids. Some children avoid vegetables. It is bad. Children must take vegetables more and more. You are also a child, so you should also take more and more vegetables. Some children don't like to eat vegetables. Their mother and father always tell them to eat vegetables, especially green vegetables, but they don't want to take green vegetables. It is not a good habit. It is very bad. So you must take green vegetables in your food. Green vegetables plays an important role for your health. It keeps you healthy, and it is said that in healthy body a healthy mind lives. So if you want to be healthy from your body and mind, you must take green vegetables. Thank you. Have a nice day.